Okay, Pit Boss fans, today we're gonna make some pizzas. Never done it before on this grill, but we're gonna do it, make it taste good, and you bet your boo sweetie ass, it's gonna be great. Stand by, here we go. Okay, Pit Boss gangsters, we're gonna put this thing up to 400. Once it's 400, put it right here. Put on our good old pizzas. Get on the rack, no pan either. Standing by. Okay, almost there. Look at this baby right here. Let's get it ready. There we go, baby. There we go. One down, one down, one down. There we go. Two down, two down. Had to make a small correction. I guess 400 is way too high. I burnt one of the pizzas, so I jumped down to 200. Hopefully this works. Failure. You know I failed with this one. Look at that bottom. Oh yeah, bad. Lesson learned. Don't put on the rack. That was looking good. That's the replacement for the one that I messed up and burnt. But I don't care. I'll still eat the damn thing. Or else, I have these two pepperonis. I got some ring. Not every minute of it. I got burnt. It's almost ready to come off. Drop the tips down a little bit. Go ahead. Right there. Punches and okay, lessons learned on this little bit of a experiment here. First time cooking pizza on the freaking wood pellet grill here. Learned a valuable lesson. Do not put thin crust pizza at 400 degrees because it's gonna burn. The thick one, whew, it turned out great. And the other thin one, you can taste the hickory in it. So thank you for watching, and hope you enjoyed what you saw. You know, if you like it, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe. Thank you. Have a good evening.